What's up YouTube? It's Winstonee coming back to you guys finally with a brand new video. I've been gone so long, like 6 months, like jeez. Well, I did like a YouTube short like 3 months ago, but I don't know, that don't really like count towards videos. 6 months ago was my last video, and this is literally my first video of the year. Like my first video of the year in May? I didn't realize I was gone so long. I just got discouraged from YouTube and this whole phase. So then, and like always, like whenever I take like a break from YouTube and then I come back, I usually come back because of you guys actually. Like the comments that you guys leave encouraging me to keep it up, and just to, all those comments and stuff, wanting another video, it encourages me to come back. And so I just want to thank you guys for all that. Even after me not posting for 6 months, and you guys are still commenting and all that stuff and interacting with me. So thank you so much for all that. And thank you for waiting, even though you didn't know that you would have to wait this long for another video. Whew. For those of you that are still here, thanks so much. So I figured like the most logical video to come back with after being gone for so long would be like kind of like a hair update slash products I'm using now type of video. Getting you guys up to date on what I'm still doing with my hair, what I'm still using, and that type of stuff. Probably like the main question I usually get asked, like especially if I haven't addressed it in a while, is if I'm still using a texturizer on my hair. Yes, I'm still using a texturizer. I like for the texturizer to kind of fade a little bit in my hair, where it's like not as like strong, like it's not like the first day, like I just applied it yesterday type look. It's the look of like I just applied it like a month ago or 2 months ago. That's the type of look I like in my hair, like how it is now. Like this is where I like my hair to be. And then it stays like this for like maybe a month or so, like depending on how well I take care of my hair. There's days where I'm not taking care of it, guys. I'm gonna be honest. There's days I get lazy. I mean, let's be honest, I get lazy certain days. I might wet it, but as far as deep conditioning and all that stuff like that, I might slack on that stuff, every so often. So the shampoo and conditioner that I'm currently using right now for my hair is I'm using a mismatch shampoo conditioner, and these are two products that I've talked about in the past before. This is the Shea Moisture Moringa and Avocado Power Green Shampoo. You've guys seen this before, and I've talked about this in the past. I showed you this with the conditioner as well that I used to use, and I still use now, but I ran out of the conditioner, and then I went to the store and bought another conditioner, and I bought this Carl's Daughter Goddess Strength conditioner. I showed you guys this as well in the past. Yeah, I ran out of the conditioner with this, and then I just bought this because I don't think they had the conditioner of this where I went, and so I was like, well, I'll just get this. And so now I've been using this combination for like a good minute now, maybe a few months. I've been using this combination of shampoo conditioner, like just mismatch, and I mean it works good. Like both of these are really solid products. I don't really always care to use like the matchings of like hair products, like the matching of this shampoo or the matching of this, like it don't really matter that much to me, as long as I know the shampoo is good and that conditioner is good. I don't have to have the match to whatever it goes to. And then also I've been using this. I showed you guys this. I mean, I think this is really the only leave-in conditioner I use anymore. This is the TALIAH, said that backwards. TALIAH Shea Cocoa conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner, and it's a spray. And that's why I like it so much, because it's a spray, so I can just like spray it in my hair and then just kind of work it into my scalp and on my ends. 10 minutes after I get out the shower, and when my hair is not dripping wet, when it's just kind of damp, I'll spray this in there and work it into my hair. And I also use my hair growth oil, and I'll just use this for like my scalp. So I'll use it, I'll put it in my scalp, and then I put it a lot of times just on my ends and just around my edges and ends and stuff like that. And it's really good for that. I tried to go and look for the deep conditioner I use for my hair, but I think I ran out of it and I threw it away. It's the Shea Moisture something deep conditioner. It's gonna be, there's gonna be a picture here, and then it's gonna be linked in the description down below. So yeah, I use that. I try to keep my hair care routine simple and just not a whole lot of products. It's easier to follow it if there's not a lot of products. So it's really just these 4 that I use to take care of my hair, plus the, like I said, plus the leave-in conditioner. I'll have all these linked in the description below. I was gonna show you guys my skincare routine, but I didn't know if you guys wanted to see that or if you guys care for that. And also I didn't want to make this video too long. If you guys want to see a skincare routine video from me, just let me know. I have content coming. I definitely have content coming. I'm just actually really happy to be back. Thank you guys again so much for sticking around for this long. For those of you that are still here, make sure that you subscribe for more videos. Also, if you have any questions or anything at all, just leave it in the comments below. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video.